Hello guys, it's Church Tech NJ here. It's been a while since I posted some videos. I just wanna address this request from EF Regine. It says, magandang araw kapatid, ask ko lang kung nakagawa na kayo ng bagong video para sa 2PC setup. Thanks, God bless po. Okay, I tried to promise like 3 weeks ago, but unfortunately I said, hi po, I will try to make another video when I get home. Please subscribe, like, and text. It just so happened that I was moving from Pennsylvania, and we moved here in Houston, Texas, so I didn't have time to reply right away and make a video. Anyways, so we got two PCs set up. I got my desktop here, I got my laptop on the left side. So I just want to point out, so how do we run Ableton to control Easyworship to the other side? Let's say I want to control either, from laptop or whatever, it depends. Let's just call this the other one to control from our Ableton. As you can see, let me open up my Ableton and let me open my laptop, the Easyworship. Okay, so in order for them to communicate, download. Okay, whenever there's something like that, just download it when it asks for something, because those are prerequisites, so just download them when needed. Okay, alright, so I'll just close this up, open Easyworship on this one too, just to make sure that all the drivers are up, all the drivers needed. Let's see, if it needed something, just download it. Okay, I guess it just so happened I didn't update this lately. Alright, so at least now we're seeing something that needed to be downloaded from scratch. Okay. Okay, let me close that up. So I believe we're open now. So I'll take that live off first. Alright. Okay. Let's see how it's done with that. Close that up. So both of them have Easyworship for now, but it doesn't make sense to have both of them. One should run the live in this mainframe, the desktop. I'll be using the Ableton for this, but I'm just saying we need to download something to make them talk to each other. Alright, excuse me. So what's gonna happen is the very first sense is they should be in the same network. That's the number one, same network, or else they wouldn't talk to each other. So in easy language, let's say your desktop and your laptop has to be on the same switch or same router or same Wi-Fi or whatever you guys are using. So the first step that we're gonna do, the second step I mean, because first step is we need to have Easyworship, and the other one needs to have Ableton Live. We have to download something. Okay, let's say Easyworship remote. Well, let's just talk here first in the desktop. If it's on, which means we're expecting it to be remoted something. But if you go down here on the remote and then go to the MIDI, we need to download something to make them communicate to each other. Okay, to the gear icon, you will see here Easyworship supports MIDI through rtpMIDI sessions. So rtpMIDI sessions is the thing that we need in order for it to control to each other. So when you click that, it's gonna open a link. We need this. All right, we're gonna download this. Alright, it's downloading, and don't forget the other computer needs that too. Okay, or you can just like copy this and then install it on the other side, but I don't have time for that. Alright, let me see. Same thing, and open up and download so that we can install that. On this side, I'm done with this. Alright, so let's extract here and install rtpMIDI setup. I agree, install blah blah blah. Launch. Okay, there you go. So alright, so this thing, let me go a little bit. Yeah, okay. So this thing will connect your one computer to another. Alright, that will serve as the communication for it. Okay, how about this one? Let me close that up. Downloads, where did my downloads go? The setup, agree, install, yes. I'm not sure if we need to reboot this, but let's try straight up. I just like it takes a lot of time. See, all right. So probably the first thing that you will see is this setup stuff. Okay, it says on the other computer is like desktop RHIU316, and the other is desktop HNEN7 and 5. So which means they're different computers. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add session. All right, we're gonna enable this. Oops, 004, and we have to actually we're seeing something here already. So this is your computer right now, and you can just it looks like it's already enabled, so because I installed this before. But if you got any question, just do that in the next thing. Alright, so it's already connected. I don't know why, but probably the previous thing that I have. Alright, so it says we're connected, right? How about I disconnect? Let me see that. Oh, okay. Alright, so what's gonna happen is let me take out some reset it. Okay. Okay, so if I if you notice in your session, if you click it, the other guy will already detect that you're there. See that? Unclick, it's gone. Click, and if you got any questions, just check the enable box session. If you have any trouble next time, just shoot me a comment. Anyways, so I guess when you see this, when you see the other computer, just connect on it. Boom, connect. So the session's gonna come up here that everybody's connected. All right. All right. So close that. It's gonna run in the background, same as the other thing. All right. So on the controller that you have, when you go to the Easyworship, all right, you have to download some stuff. It's the previous video that I have. You get to download the input cues input cues. Again, I go to the remote, go to the gear icon, MIDI gear icon, and then the next tab, you can download the Ableton live set export. Export it. You're gonna download it. Let's say I'm gonna choose a folder. Let's say I'm gonna put it on desktop. Alright, I'm gonna save it there. There you go. So it's in the desktop already. There, see? Easyworship cues. So what's gonna happen is, let's say in my open your Ableton, okay, in order to control the other one, because we're already connected to the network, we're already connected with our, what's the name of that again? Oops, sorry. Or what was that? Forgot that name. RTP something. rtpMIDI. Okay. So because we're already connected onto that, and we downloaded the cue, this will be the controller. We go to the desktop of that, we see the cues. You see that cues? So what's gonna happen is, let's say you're gonna run something, right? Go to the preferences, go to your MIDI, and you will see this now on the output, the desktop or whatever output that you have, correct? It wasn't there before, I forgot to tell you. But when you connect to that rtpMIDI, see that? I'm gonna put that in. Alright, when you, oops, sorry, got it wrong. Wow. Alright, when you connect it onto this, let's see if it's gonna work, if we're gonna disconnect it. That's gonna disconnect. I think it's gonna be gone, or still gonna be here. Huh, it's still gonna be there. But just turn it on, you will see it probably. I'm not sure, but I didn't have time to finish this. But just turn on the track. Okay, turn on the track. Okay, running on it. So which means you have to have an output. Let's say you're gonna use this as a controller, right? MIDI. You have some audio here, whatever. Output going to desktop, you will see that name desktop here. Okay, let's say you wanna go to in order for us to know if it's working or not, just use let's use the logo on off, or and then black on, black off. So the purpose of this tutorial is just to make sure that you're connected to one computer to another. And don't forget, alright, let me show you first. If I play this, you know, it's sending the MIDI signal to rtpMIDI, but our Ableton is not receiving it. So how do we do that? Alright, remote, turn it on. Alright, turn it on. And sometimes this one is still locked. You have to unlock it. It will be ready. So let's try it. Alright, boom, you see that logo? Logo off. Ooh, you see that? And then it's gonna do the black on, and it's gonna do the black off. So you get what I mean? In short, number one, you see those RTP MIDI you should have, you need to download, and that's it. I hope you guys, hello Sunday there. I hope you guys learned something, and that's it. Shoot me email, or if this helps you out, like and subscribe. Thank you, God bless you, and always remember, do everything for God, not for yourself. Alright, God bless you all. Bye.